Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. I'm your host Slobodan Drvenica, and today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. US January new home sales and Japan's January national CPI report will be the most important economic releases on Monday. On Tuesday, German March GfK consumer sentiment will be released in early European session. US January durable goods orders, February consumer confidence, and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude inventory report will be key events of the US session. Reserve Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision, Eurozone February consumer sentiment, US fourth quarter gross domestic product, US Energy Information Administration weekly crude inventories, and Japan's March industrial production will be the top economic events on Wednesday. On Thursday, Australia's January retail sales, German February labor data, and inflation report will be key releases of Asian and European sessions. In the US session, release of the US weekly jobless claims, January PCE price index, January personal spending, and Canada's fourth quarter gross domestic product will be in focus. China's February manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMIs will be the top releases of Asian session on Friday. German February manufacturing PMI, Eurozone February inflation report, and January unemployment will be closely watched during European session. The top economic events of the Americas session on Friday will be releases of US February manufacturing PMI and Michigan February consumer sentiment.